A mechanical keyboard is a high-performance keyboard with tactile and audio feedback that makes it perfect for gaming. It's also built to last, with a lifespan of up to 50 million keystrokes. So if you're looking for a keyboard that will give you the edge in your next big game, here are the best mechanical keyboards for gaming. Our first choice is Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT Mechanical Keyboard. Corsair's K95 RGB Platinum XT is a mechanical keyboard that's built for gaming. It has Cherry MX Brown switches, which are known for being fast and responsive. The keyboard also has RGB backlighting, which can be customized to your liking. There are dedicated media keys and a volume roller, which makes it easy to control your music while you're gaming. The K95 RGB Platinum XT is a great choice for gamers who are looking for a high-quality mechanical keyboard. If you want the product details, please check the video description box. Our second choice is Roccat Vulcan 122 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Roccat's Vulcan 122 is a high-quality mechanical PC gaming keyboard that offers tactile feedback and RGB backlighting for each key. The Titan switch ensures responsiveness and durability, while the AIMO lighting system creates a unique look for your gaming setup. The anodized aluminum top plate provides a premium feel, and the detachable palm wrist rest keeps you comfortable during long gaming sessions. Our third choice is Logitech G915TKL Mechanical Keyboard. Logitech's new G915TKL tankless Lightspeed wireless RGB mechanical gaming keyboard offers low-profile switch options, LightSync RGB advanced wireless and Bluetooth support, and tactile feedback. This keyboard is designed for gamers who want a compact, customizable gaming experience. The G915TKL is a tankless keyboard, meaning it does not have a numeric keypad. This makes it more compact and portable than a full-sized keyboard. Our fourth choice is Razer Huntsman Elite Gaming Keyboard. The Razer Huntsman Elite Gaming Keyboard is a top-of-the-line gaming keyboard that offers gamers a number of features that are sure to give them an edge on the competition. Some of these features include fast keyboard switches, linear optical switches, and chroma RGB lighting. The keyboard also comes with a magnetic plush wrist rest for added comfort while gaming, and dedicated media keys and dial for easy access to all your favorite media. If you want the product details, please check the video description box. Our fifth choice is Redragon K566B Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Redragon K566B RGB is a gaming keyboard with RGB backlit, blue switches, and solid durable all-aluminum construction. The stylish metallic blue electroplated keys and base give it a look that is sure to turn heads. The keyboard is also equipped with N-key rollover and anti-ghosting, making it a great choice for gamers who want a fast and responsive keyboard. I hope you find your best mechanical keyboard for gaming. If you like our video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.